Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Ranu. And what is your name?
My name is Priya too. From where are you?
I am from Kumthi.
From Kumthi. Where is Kumthi?
Kumthi is in Burhanpur Road.
Okay. So what are you doing in studies?
I am doing in studies in BCom Techs.
Okay. So do you like BCom subject?
Yes, I like BCom subject because I also doing with BCom CS also.
CS. What is CS?
CS is the company secretary and chartered secretary.
Okay. So why do you like this CS most?
Because CS is a professional job and today demand of CS is very high, so I want to become a CS.
Okay. So how much package do you want to get?
I want 20 to 30 lakh package rupees.
So in which city do you want to do job?
I want
Any particular city?
yes, I want go to Bengaluru
Bangalore. Why do you want to go Bangalore?
because Bengaluru is a very good city and very beautiful city and various types of places for wandering.
Okay. So what are you doing for becoming CS?
I am preparing for CS. I joined the online classes and also study.
Okay. So tell me what things you have for becoming CS and what things you want to get for becoming CS. Which type of knowledge do you have?
Now I have not knowledge about CS, that work of CS, but I know about CS what type of qualities the CA do have.
What type of qualities CA do have?
Very positive person and knowledgeable person can do CS.
Okay. Knowledgeable person means which type of knowledge?
Knowledge about corporate and in CS journey corporate about knowledge about corporate is very essential.
Okay, very essential. So I think there, if you clear CS exam, so there are so many things, so many jobs that you can do. So which
Yes.
type of job you want to do after clearing CS?
If firstly I prepared for CS, then if I passed my all the exams very good manner and I have lots of knowledge about
CS.
about after CS, then I should join the CS for company.
CS company.
Yes.
So which type of company do you want to join?
I want to join a big company.
Which type of company? Because there are so many big companies. In which work?
I want to join also big company and joined popular company.
Okay. So what do you think about positive attitude?
I think positive attitude is the attitude of a person that gives you a lot of positive vibes. If we talk about a positive person, the positive person always think positive, speak positive and also see the people in a positive manner. And positivity is also important for everyone because positive vibes give you great aims and give you great success.
So how can we become positive? How can we get positive attitude and become positive person? What things we will have to do for becoming positive person?
If I talk about a positive person, if you want to become a positive person, then you should read more and more books, motivational books also, and you learn from the things. What are you doing in a day? What the people asking for you, and every kind of talks with people in a positive manner, and you always think positive. So you become a positive person.
I want to ask you that there are so many people and there are all things are negative, and we are also living a negative environment, but we want to be a positive, we want to become a positive person. So how will you become a positive person? Because there are so many people say you bad things. behave like you, bad behave.
Firstly, you stay away from those people who negative behavior with you, and then second, ignore the person who think positive, speak positive.
Ignore the person.
Ignore the persons who think positive
Negative.
and negative.
Yes.
Yes.
Who think negative.
Who think no.
So how should we ignore? Because if we ignore anyone, so they also try to come to us.
Firstly, I said you that stay away from yourself.
Because there where we are living, there are also negative people. Where we are studying, where we are going college or other things, there are also negative people.
Stay away from yourself. If you know stay yourself, then you stay away from your mindset. Your mindset is always positive thinking. Some people talk to you negative manner, then you should avoid the persons who tell you negative.
And what kind of things should I do for becoming a positive person in a day?
Firstly, you should always wake up early in the morning, because every positive person wake up early in the morning, because morning vibes is very good and very activate and positive vibes, give you positive vibes. Firstly, you wake up early in the morning, then you should do meditation every day.
Okay.
And you read more and more books, and you work on your goal.
Which type of books should I read?
Those books you like most.
So do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Which type of books do you read?
I read many books, like related to my study also, and related to my motivation also. I like read motivational books.
Can you tell any name of motivational books?
मन के हारे हार मन के जीते जीत is the book, and every person can win, Shiv Khera's book.
Okay. So do you like reading books? क्या तुम बुक पढ़ना पसंद करते हो?
I like reading books.
Why?
Because they give me positive vibes, and various types of concentration level increased myself, so I like reading.
Okay. So what things do you don't want to do in a day? You don't want to do in a day. What things do you don't want to do in a day?
Firstly, I stay away from my distractions, and those persons which may reflect in negative manner, and those persons who behave me in negative way. Then firstly, I stay away from these persons, and then secondly, I don't waste my time, even a single minute, and also.
Okay. So tell me what things do you like in yourself, and what things do you not like in yourself?
In myself, I like my positivity, I like my friendly behavior, and I like my childhood manners also. And
which type of childhood manners?
Sometimes with people which are very close to me, I just friendly with them.
Which type of things do you do? Like childhood manners, you said.
I can't explain now because this is the public place. And
okay. So what type of things do you not like in yourself?
Sometimes I feel overthinking in myself. Sometimes.
Okay.
Not even a single day. So this is my bad habit for of financial conditions of my family, and some conditions of my home reflects me overthinking, but I overcome all the things with my positivity, and I handle all the things because I have a positive person.
Okay. So tell me, which person do you like? Which type of persons do you like?
I like motivational persons, and I like friendly manner persons.
Okay. So tell me, who is your favorite person here?
You are my favorite person here.
Why?
Because
खुद की तारीफ करवा रही हूँ.
You are like with me. मतलब तुम मेरे
Which type of qualities I have like you?
Like thinking pattern about someone,
Okay.
and also our mindset also same for
Okay.
some kind of things. And
Okay. So, do you listen songs?
yes, I listen songs.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh.
Why? He is also he also sings negative songs or sad songs.
कभी कभी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Sometimes.
Sometimes I have seen, I have listened other singers also. Darshan Rawal is also my favorite singer. So
Okay. So, which type of songs do you like to listen?
I like relaxing songs and motivational songs.
What is your which is your favorite song?
क्या पूछ रहे? My favorite song is which is his?
Yes. You can sing some lines.
No.
Only one line. You can say.
कौन सा है ना वो?
Do you have any favorite song?
No, I have no favorite song. मतलब many.
Every time I change. Every
I-
time this change.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you operate mobile?
Yes, I operate mobile.
Which type of things do you like in mobile? And which type of things do you not like in mobile?
Firstly, I operate in my mobile WhatsApp, Telegram, and WhatsApp, Telegram, and
Instagram.
Instagram.
So, do you like Instagram?
No, I don't like, but sometimes if I feel bored, so in a day, one time I see.
Okay. So, how many hours do you operate mobile in a day?
3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours is very big time.
Yes, because
What do
my
you do?
online classes are in mobile.
So, how many lectures do you attend in Delhi? Do you attend Delhi?
Now I'm not attend the lecture because I
I am learning.
I'm learning English from DEG, and DEG is
I have no time.
I don't have time for preparing my CS.
Okay. So, can you tell me about your daily routine nowadays?
Nowadays,
Some important things which you do in Delhi.
firstly I wake up early in the morning, then I meditation, then I ready for coaching, and I breakfast, then I come here, and this is the lots of time, 4 to 5 hours I attend in coaching. So, and then 6 o'clock I
Go at home.
go at home. Then 1 to 2 hours I study about English and also my CS. Then
Okay.
I sleep.
So, it is enough for your in a day. ये काफ़ी है जो तुम करते हो पूरे दिन में तुम्हारे लिए.
Yes, because now English is very necessary for me and for my career, so I focused only on English.
Okay. So, what things have you learnt in English?
I have learnt many things, like to have models, and we should more and more practice in DEC coaching.
Okay. So, which type of things do you like in DEC coaching?
Things.
Things.
I like the environment of DEC, the teaching style of teachers, and and
So,
also
tell me who is your favorite teacher in DEC coaching?
my favorite teacher is Dipesh sir and Piyush sir.
No, only one.
Both are my favorite teachers.
But I want to know only one.
Dipesh sir is my favorite.
Why
teacher.
is your favorite? Why is he your favorite teacher? Which type of qualities do you like in Dipesh sir?
Firstly, you forced me that
He.
one choose.
Okay.
Dipesh sir is a very motivated person, and his knowledge are also very broadcast manner,
Okay.
and they are very good teacher.
He.
Way.
He.
He is a very good teacher. And if I talk about Dipesh sir behavior is also very friendly and rude also, with only study time.
Okay.
In very focused manner he studied, and friendly also.
Okay. So which type of qualities you don't like in, you are not like in Dipesh sir? You don't like in Dipesh sir?
No, I think
Nothing.
nothing.
सर देख लो, कैमरा के सामने आपकी तारीफ हो रही है. सो एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वालिटीज डू लाइक इन पीयूष सर?
Few sir are also a motivated person.
इज
Piyush sir is, तो मैंने क्या बोला?
इज आर.
Piyush sir is also a motivated person, and the teaching style also are very good of Piyush sir.
यस.
And Piyush sir are very friendly with students, and many type of competition Piyush sir are compete in students, so this is very good.
Okay. Thank you. If you want to ask me something, so you can ask.
So what are you doing in your studies?
I have completed my graduation from BSc IT subject, and now I am learning English.
For how many days you learn English?
I have completed my 2 months here, and now I will come only 5 days here because I want to start my further studies. And now I think I can learn English I can practice my English at home. That's why I will stop coming here.
Do you learn daily about English?
Yes, every day I learned any new things about English.
So is 2 month enough for learning English?
For learning, nothing is enough. More years are also not enough because knowledge.
Tell about your basic English.
Yes, basic English. This 2 months is enough for me, but I'm not a good speaker now. But if I practice again and again, and if I practice continuously, so I will become a good speaker.
How is Khandwa?
Khandwa is very good city, and which type of things we need every day. So there are all things.
What do you know about Khandwa?
Khandwa is very good. There are so many places for wandering, like Dadaji Temple, Kisorda Tomb, and also so many things. If you want to wander, so if anybody want to wander, so they can wander. And there are also every year. सर नौचंडी मेला लगता है. नौचंडी मेला लगता है. There is a Nauchandi fair in Khandwa every year.
In point of view, what is success?
Success is a journey, not our destination. With every time for us, success will be changed for us. Now if I talk about me, if I want to get my job, what I want to become, so if I get this, so that will be success for me, but this is not enough for me. That time I will decide second goal for me. So success is a journey,
Not a final destination.
not a final destination.